If you come across my content and it triggers you, hear me out. It's meant to trigger you. It's meant to trigger a deeply buried emotion and energy, a memory that has been dormant inside of you, and especially if you've been calling back your energy. This is going to be the way that you receive your energy back, the way that you act on it. That's going to be up to you, and that's going to be what determines whether you actually get your power back or you get more of your own poison. Now let me walk you through this. Like I walk myself through it, like I walk my son through it, and like I've walked thousands of people through it. When you get an emotion, when you get triggered and you feel anger, sadness, regret, jealousy, envy, those are really low vibrational energies. And that is how you're gonna get your power back. So first of all, you're welcome. You can follow me for more empowering triggers. And hopefully, I'll see you on the other side of love, trust, and faith on your own path and in your own journey, in your own higher self. Because this is the thing. You may be an extremely successful in everything that you do, but there are other parts of you that want to be seen, heard, and understood, transmuted, to integrate, to alchemize, to become an even more powerful version of you. And I'm not here to take away your power. I'm here to help you take it back. I'm not gonna give you my power, but I'm gonna help you take your power back. And this is how you do it. When you feel an emotion, sit with it. Sit with it and allow yourself to let the emotion surface to your heart. And there you can choose for yourself. You can choose love. You can choose trust. You can choose admiration. You can choose to focus on a better outcome. You can choose faith. You can choose to take action, to connect back to your power. Not just act like God, but actually be God. Feel God within yourself. Feel the power of God within yourself. And this is not a religious post. This is the reality that we live in a world where there's a source, a higher power, and an energy that is bigger than what you currently are right now. Yes, you even if you're successful as fuck in your life, you are not at your highest potential. If this is triggering you, you could be making lots more money. You could be helping lots more people, and you can be actually getting closer to your true divine partner that is waiting for you to heal all these parts of you so that you can be whole, not fragmented, and you can come back to yourself, come back to who you actually are before being traumatized as a child, traumatized during relationships, traumatized in all kinds of things. We, as human, if you're human, you have trauma, and if you're human, you have unconscious trauma stored in your body that you have yet to allow yourself to feel, transmute, and integrate into who you actually are as your higher self, so that you can remember the mission that you came here to do, your actual mission. The reason you said, yes, sign me up for Earth, I will go there, because that is going to fucking blow my mind, my soul, my body into the most exquisite way that I can imagine. Yes, sign me up for that. Yes, I will. I would totally move through that. That envy, I would totally move through that jealousy. I would totally move through that anger and pain, because I want that experience. Sign me up, God. But here, you're just getting angry or getting upset at me when you could be leveling up. Follow me for more empowering tips that actually work. And I'm hosting a retreat the third week of May here in Loxahatchee, Florida. It's a very limited container, and this is only for those souls that are meant to be there because they want to really embody their higher self. They want to generally really find that divine union within themselves, to heal. I love you. Your higher self loves you. Now it's just waiting on you to find that deeper love within yourself.